Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly love reading for water sign Pisces for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Pisces, let's see your messages. Okay, your first card, King of Cups, and your second card, the Death. Third card, Six of Wands. Wow, I think you or your person undergoing some transformation. I think it's you. Pisces, you are undergoing some transformation. And King of Cups, you have strong emotions for your person. And the Six of Wands, yeah. You are working hard towards your success. Definitely you will get success. Because Six of Wands is here. After the transformation, you will see the things clearly and you have strong emotions for your person. Definitely Six of Wands, you will get success. Because you are working hard towards your success. I think one person in this connection is very popular. They already recognized. You or your person could be Scorpio also. So let's see some more. Pisces. Eight of Wands. The Strength. Yeah. The Lovers. Wow. Yeah, you and your person may be communicating in near future. If you are in no contact or less contact, definitely there will some communication is going to be happen. And Strength, yeah, you are gaining strength, something you are becoming very stable and powerful after the transformation, the Death, and Strength. And the Lovers, definitely you love your person a lot and there is a intimacy between both of you. You or your person could be Gemini, and energy could be vice versa, because this is general reading, keep in mind. So definitely you will receive some communication and you are becoming very powerful and stable, whatever. Four of Cups, the Hermit, and the Fool. Wow, I think one person in this connection like this, they are feeling very sad for the missed opportunity, or your person maybe intentionally rejected the cup of love which is offered by you. It could be you or your person. And the Hermit, definitely I think you are undergoing some spiritual awakening, Pisces, because the Hermit, you or your person could be Virgo, and you may be isolated from your person, or it could be your person also, your person may be isolated from you and all. And because they are undergoing some transformation, and the Fool is here, definitely some new energy is coming and you want some new beginnings in your life. And it not maybe it not be in love, but it is also in your career wise. Definitely there is some new start you want. And for some, you also want some new beginning in your relationship if you are in separation with your person. So let's see some more. Eight of Swords, Judgment, okay, Chariot. Wow, yeah, one person in this connection is stuck right now. They don't know what to do. It could be you or your person. I think it's you, because you are undergoing transformation, that's why you are stuck. And the Judgment and the Chariot, definitely you want to take things to next level. And Judgment, definitely some major decision you are going to be made, Pisces, this week. Yeah, you are in this Fool energy. I think this is reading and Saggy reading almost same. If you want to see that reading, please watch that reading. Yeah, definitely one person in this connection right now stuck. And Judgment, some major decisions. And Chariot, definitely there is some movement. You want some new, something new in your life. And for some, you want some new start in your relationship. So let's see your person current feelings and action, then we will get more clarity, Pisces. So let's see your person current feelings towards you. The Magician. Wow. Strength. Four of Cups. I think it's your person. Four of Cups, they are not accepting the cup of love which is offered by you. Or they are feeling, for some they are feeling sad for the missed opportunity. And yeah, they are taking their power back, the strength. Now they are very powerful. I think you both are very powerful couple and very strong couple, I am getting. And the Magician, yes, your person may right now in Magician energy. I think they are manifesting you back in their life. The Magician. Yeah, they want to manifest you back. But this time they are very, very powerful. They gain their strength back. So let's see their near future actions towards you, Pisces. Wow, Ace of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, Nine of Wands. Yeah, they want to offer a long-term commitment. They want to share their love and anything to you, but they, at the same time, they are very guarded this time. I think something has happened between both of you in past, but this time they want this connection, but as parallel they want to protect their heart also. I think they are guarding. That's why Four of Cups is here. First they want to becoming stronger. After they want to offer this long-term commitment to you. Yes, they want to manifesting you back, but they want to stand by their power. If you accept their offer, that doesn't matter for them, because now they are very powerful. Pisces, I am getting. Yeah, they love you and they want to offer this commitment to you, but they want to grow and they want to stand by their power, Pisces. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Four of Swords, Ace of Wands, King of Swords, Page of Cups. Yeah, some communication, definitely some communication, some new start. And yeah, I think through communication you both will get clarity. You both will communicate. One person maybe apologize to other person in this connection, Page of Cups, or you both apologize each other for what happened between both of you. But one person right now, Four of Swords, maybe thinking about the other person a lot. They are not talking with other person because they are taking their time. They are healing right now, Ace of Wands. But other person want some new beginning, some passionate beginning between both of you, King of Swords. Yeah, I think you want to give clarity to your person, or your person maybe want to give clarity to you. Energy could be vice versa, but some apology is coming. Page of Cups, some communication. Yeah, some communication is coming. King of Swords, one person in this connection is very straightforward and very honest, very, very committed also, but one person is not. That is the issue maybe in past. And lot of air energy, you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sag. Water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Sign could be any, but I am telling because all energies are here. Yes, definitely one person is not talking to the other person right now, but in near future definitely some communication will open up between both of you. There is no doubt, because communication cards and Ace of Wands, passionate new beginning. Definitely someone in this connection wanted passionate new beginning. Definitely. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Pisces. Justice, Ace of Cups, Two of Cups. Wow, I think you are going to make a move towards your person, Pisces, because Justice means second chance, and Ace of Cups, I think the one person who put a lot of effort in this connection is your person. That's why you want to second chance. You want ask second chance to your person if it is true, because your person did a lot of work in this connection. This time your responsibility to put lot of work. And Two of Cups, definitely you both love each other and you also love your person. Ace of Cups, definitely your love towards your person is overflowing. And Justice, yeah, you want second chance. Definitely you want second chance. So let's see your person overall energy for the week, Pisces. Six of Wands, Page of Wands, Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, they are in very slow moving energy. Knight of Pentacles, they are coming, but very, very slow moving energy. Ace of Wands, definitely they are also want a passionate new beginning with you, but it will take time. If your person if you are waiting that your person want to make move towards you, it will take a long time. But if you take first step towards your person, definitely there will some fast movement between both of you, because Page of Wands, definitely your person is also waiting for your communication, for your message. I think one person in this connection may be younger than the other person, very good looking and very handsome and very popular also. Six of Wands, yeah, your person also working on their career and they also get success, because you both got these cards, Six of Wands. Definitely you both are very successful people, and you both are very powerful and very attractive people. Definitely your person also will get success, because they are also working hard toward. Definitely they are very attractive and they are very popular. So this is the reading for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Bye.